So here's how you can make the private numbers blocked from calling your phone. Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So at first you can go to your settings app, and from the apps at the bottom find the phone app, right? So all of the applications that are going to be listed, just go through it alphabetically and you should be able to find the phone there. And the thing I want you to find is the unknown callers, right? So you can see we have the call filtering right away, and you can see that missed calls and voicemail from unknown numbers will be silenced and move to the unknown callers list, right? So when you enable that option, it makes sure that it gets filtered like that, meaning that you will not even hear it, but it will still show up inside of the phone app. Or you also have another option above it, which is to silence unknown callers. So it will appear on the recents list, but it will still be silenced, right? So you can see a slight difference there. Depends on which option you wanna pick between, but these two are like the main ways to filter out or block private numbers from calling you, right? So that is what I would turn on. Naturally, you also have like the WhatsApp where you can just check it out, check out some of the settings there, and also perhaps go to the privacy section, and you can also go to the calls, and there you can also silence unknown callers, but that is when somebody's calling through WhatsApp and not at the regular cellular call. So as you can see, more ways on technically how you can do this. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.